Hello, in front of me I've got Shadowverse. In this video I'll show you how to create cards. In order to create cards, firstly let's go to Cards menu. Enter Cards and make sure you've got enough Veil. Go to Create Cards again and select card you would like to create. As you can see, here is the amount required for creating cards, and here is your current amount. To create the card, simply press this button. You can also liquidify the card, thanks to which you will get the part of value you've spent back. In the end, you can upgrade card by using this yellow orb. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.